Wow. Don't tell anybody this website. Don't tell anybody this website. Don't tell anybody this name of these apps. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I tried this website and oh my gosh, it worked. I got paid. Yes, I got paid just by watching YouTube videos. Oh my goodness. I used to see people talk about it online, like on YouTube. I made so amount watching YouTube videos. I did this. I was skeptical a bit. I said, let me try it. Let me know that this thing is work. This thing actually works, or they are just capping. Enough of the other voice I'm using. Or they're just capping. So I was able to do this, guys, and I'm gonna show you the same way you're gonna do it, and you're gonna see the same result. Like, gosh, this thing works. It works. I don't know why nobody's talking about this website. Oh my gosh. And the second one is the best. Yeah, it's the best. There's just two websites I'm going to tell you right now that I've tested and trusted. Let's just get it. Now, the first app on my list is Honey Game. You can see this is how the interface is. This app is literally very easy to cash out. You can see you're welcome to Money Green. Now you can claim $4 sorry. For you to claim $4, you just need to put in your email address, create your password. Let me just use this password because I'm teaching. Then you click on continue with email. When you're done continue with your email, you just click on OK, so to save to your phone. Then I'll show you the next thing to do. So you wait a moment. Then the next thing you have to do is either you download the app. Do you get? So it's downloading. So once you are done downloading the app, you can even earn from referring people. When you refer people, now you can see my current balance, 4,000 naira. You can see it. So this app is actually real. This is my account, Victor. You can see my email. So it's real. Let me show you the notification they have sent to me, and I'm going to show you other extra apps that you can go and start signing up. All right, and I will drop the link to this app in the description so you can check it out. All right, so I will show you the next one now. You can see once you reach, you can see how you can get started to start earning from this app. Now, how to get started? You just tap on how to get started. You will now see what you're going to do, how to start. Now, once you have created your account, verified your account, you now you just scroll through the interface like this. When you scroll through, you just know how the platform works. Then the next thing you want to do is you go to jump on tags. You're going to see some other tags in the platform that you can do. Now make sure you install it from where the website here is not on Play Store yet. So you just now look at what people have to say about the app. Extraordinary app that allows you to generate income in passive mode. You can see people have good reviews about the app. Payout was credited to me instantly. Thank you. Now you can see people have good reviews about this app. Now you can go and start signing up and making your money. You can even see people that have talked about the app because it is legit. So go now, sign up, and if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. Now I'm going to show you the second one. The next one on our list is this is another website you can go to and start watching videos and getting paid, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to get started. Now look how the interface of the website is. So we'll just click on start earning. You click on start earning and it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see how the interface is very lovely. Sorry, I had to refresh again. So you can see that this thing works. So look at how the interface is. Earn money in Web3, play games, take surveys and more. Now you can see these are the top surveys and this is how much you'll be earning. Now if you tap on this one says share your, I've not signed up. Do you get? So I'm going to sign up with any of my email. Let me quickly sign up. So you can just sign up with your email. So I will show you how to navigate it. Okay. Now once you're here, you can see I've already signed up. And I'm going to click on in your first reward. Get started. Link your X account. You can link your Telegram, your Twitter account if you have. If you don't have, I can just do that later. Do you get? I can do that later. Let me skip. So I'll just skip on it. Skip for now. Now you can see, guys, there are so many tags you can do here. You can see this one. This one will pay you $1. You can see, you can look for the one that will pay you more. Let me show you how to do the tag. You can see this one. They say follow so person on X. They'll pay you $0.1. Follow 3 hours dev on X. Now you just need to download X account. Do you get? Now watch a video and earn. You can see how much you'll be earning. $0.1. You see how much you'll be earning from here. So if you follow this person on X, you earn this amount. Now if you can do this, there's always tax in this platform on a daily basis. So if you refresh, you still see more tax. Now you can see this one, they're paying you $1. Do you know how much is $1 now? So if you can do all this tax, just sit down in a day, bring out your data, 1 hour, you're doing all this tax. Do you know how much it will accumulate for you in your dashboard? Mind blowing. Now you can even search other tags according to the keywords: entertainment, X, socials, Telegram, sorting. If I go to Telegram, like if I click on Telegram, I will see other tags that concerned with Telegram. If I click on watch and profit, I will see other tags. You can see, so tags here can never be overemphasized. You can see all these ones are quick tags for the day. That's why you need to sign up, and I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can start making your money. And this platform is real because if they are partnering with all these popular platforms, you can see it's actually very, very real. You can watch a video, you can see, you can play a game and you earn. There are so many things you can do. This is Sunday offer now. You can hop on it. Follow this person on X, you hop on it. Guys, this is something you don't want to miss. Now the second one on my list is, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now hit on the like button. Hit on the like button. So this video can go viral. Oh my gosh. Please like, please share, please, I'm begging you. Please. And that is all for this video. Make sure you test them out, try them, and let me know your thoughts, and let me know your result, and let me know how much you're able to cash out from this app. You get? I'll be in the comment, reading the comment. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you next time. All right? See, I post 9 p.m. and 6 p.m. Do you get? So that's my posting schedule: 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 a.m. So you can watch out for my videos. All right? And I post twice in a week. Do you get? So the days are still kind of not really stable for now, but I will always keep you updated the days that I'm gonna post in my community tab. So you want to do well to check it out. All right?